To deliver better care in more places, we're expanding and increasing VA healthcare, building new wounded warrior facilities, and adapting care to better meet the needs of female veterans, and expanding VA hospitals and healthcare, and adapting care to better meet the unique needs of female veterans. We're creating a single electronic health record that our troops...
For a female employee, it would cost $3,300 at age 24 and $6,400 at age 50.
And by the way, this is the first time in Academy history where your two top awards have been earned by female candidates.
Family formation, notably marriage and childbirth, accounts for the major loss of female talent from the job pool between the receipt of a PhD and achievement of a tenured position in the sciences.
And of course, back when she was Britain's first female prime minister, Margaret Thatcher was often the only woman in the room.
But when she visited one of our nation's top observatories as a grad student, they didn't have a dorm for female astronomers, so Sandra ended up sleeping on the sofa in the caretaker's cottage. The legacy of those who paved the way. Like my friend, the late Senator from Hawaii, Daniel Inouye, the first Japanese American to serve in Congress. And to celebrate the pioneers of this generation, like Congresswoman Tammy Duckworth, one of the first female veterans elected to Congress. Patricia Millett is one of our nation's finest appellate attorneys, and until recently held the record for the most Supreme Court arguments by a female lawyer. She's, first of all, our outstanding leader of the Democrats in the House and first female Speaker of the House, Nancy Pelosi.
As the only female supervisor, I persevered through daily harassment and took as little leave as possible because I never knew if my job would be waiting when I returned.
1950s. Ask the female CEO who once might have been assigned to the secretarial pool if nothing's changed.
So I'm representing Jamaica as the youngest female team leader, and I'm inviting you to come so we can talk about Startup America, and we can collaborate on different projects.
We're joined by several of those heroes, including our oldest known female World War II vet, Army Lieutenant Colonel Luda C. As an African-American woman, job options were limited, but she was eventually hired as one of several female mathematicians for the agency that would become NASA.
I was the only female supervisor, and it took as little time off as possible because I never knew if my job would be waiting for me when I got back.